To begin with, I chose the notebook I wanted to use and I traced out the size of the cover onto a piece of paper. Next, I cut it out a few millimeters smaller than it actually was. Next, I took some blue polymer clay and kneaded that until it was easy to work with. And then between some baking paper, I rolled it out flat. Next, place the template over your polymer clay and cut it down to size. From here, the way that I decorated it is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll be giving you some facts about dreaming, how to use your dream journal, and a little bit about lucid dreaming. Dreams are responsible for some of the greatest inventions, including Google, the Tesla alternating current generator, and the double helix DNA form. The power of your subconscious mind mixing random things together in your dreams can often provide an entirely new perspective or a solution to a problem. Your brain is more active during sleep than during the day. Everyone dreams 1 to 2 hours per night, but 60% of people don't remember anything when they wake up. Dreams fade very quickly when you wake up, so you need to write them down as soon as possible. If you get up, walk around, and start talking about other things, it'll cause motor neurons to fire in your brain, which overwrites the memory of the dream. So keep a journal by your bed and start writing immediately. This will put your dreams into long-term memory. To use your journal, write down the date and then everything you can remember from the dream. Even if things don't make sense, write them down exactly as they happened. Writing in the present tense also helps to put you in the moment. For example, saying, "I am swimming with sharks while the sun is setting," is better than saying, "I swam with sharks while the sun set." Think about the location, the characters, the objects, and emotions. Consider sights, sounds, smells, and textures. It can also be good to sketch key scenes from your dream. It doesn't matter if you think you're bad at drawing, no one has to see it. At the end, you may want to make note of any major life issues you've been experiencing right now. Looking back in several months' time, you may be able to link them to your dream. Lucid dreaming is when you become aware that you're dreaming and you can control what happens. The possibilities are endless. You can fly, you can pass through walls, you can travel into different dimensions, meet a celebrity, go back in time, anything you can imagine. Usually it happens because you notice something that you can identify as being from a dream. For me, I ask someone, "Am I dreaming?" and the person will usually tell me yes, and then that makes me become lucid. Some people look at their hands and notice they have extra fingers, or some people can't read their watch. Finding common themes and symbols will help you create lucid dream triggers, which is why writing down your dreams in a journal can really help. For example, I've noticed that in nearly all of my dreams I'm running away from something, and the dream is often set in a jungle or a forest. People who are more introspective and metacognitive are more likely to lucid dream naturally, but lucid dreaming is a skill that anyone can practice. 51% of people have had a lucid dream at least once, usually at a young age. There are entire communities and forums dedicated to lucid dreaming, so if it's something that you're interested in, I'll link some in the description box below. Back to the tutorial. Once I finished the design on my journal and I was happy with it, I baked it in the oven according to the package instructions, and then I just super glued it to the top of the journal.